Hi, I'm Starla with Starla Seasonings and Mixes. Today we're going to make a simple homemade salad dressing. This we're preparing to go with our baked salmon that's in the oven. So we're going to make it with the peppercorn ranch today. The simple salad dressing recipe along with several other are on the back of each packet. These are also available through the mail, or you can catch me at your sports shows if you live in Wisconsin or Illinois. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add one package of peppercorn ranch. I like to add them into a canning jar because then you can store it right in the refrigerator this way, and you can also mix it. Peppercorn ranch is one of my favorites. It's a great way to make a homemade dressing that doesn't have all the chemicals that a store-bought one does. There's no artificial sweeteners, there's no MSG, there's no gluten, and you don't have the high fructose corn syrups in it either. So one package of your favorite Starla seasonings, and here we have a cup and a half of sour cream. So just add that right in there. And then you have a half a cup of mayonnaise, not salad dressing. And then you just add a little bit of milk to thin. So you can add however much you want. You can start with a little and then you can keep increasing it. And then screw on your top and then just shake it to blend it. And this will store beautifully in your fridge for a week to 2 weeks. I also like this one made with my mustard horseradish. It's really good with the twisted tomato, which is a tomato base, and then it has horseradish in it. It's also outstanding with the Grandma's Garden. And then the glorious garlic is excellent as a salad dressing too. Now we're done shaking it. As you can see, it's really nice and thick right now. So this is where it would be nice as a dip. But we're going to thin it some more so we can use it on our salads. So we're going to add a little more milk, or you could use buttermilk. And then we're going to stir, or we could shake it some more until we have the correct consistency. See how that'll go nice on a salad.